Hey everyone, new fridge came today. Check it out. It's all black and cool. See what's on the inside. Ooh, look at this. Fully called the service. Check it out. Oh, this is gonna be fun putting this together. Oh, it's the handle. Oh, I gotta put the handle on all by myself. Wow. Crazy. What else is in there? Stuff stuck down. Freezer, refrigerator. Oh, freezer's down bottom. Oh, look at this dinner guide. Nice. Anyways, I'm gonna have a bit of fun putting that together. So while I do this, you guys go check out some other videos online. Anyway, talk to you guys later. Bye. And like magic, my fridge is put together. Whoa! Alright. I'm gonna go stock that bad boy. Get something to eat. Talk to you guys later.